Hey everyone, today I'm going to show you how to add Instagram Web on Google Chrome. This is perfect if you want quick access to Instagram directly from your browser without having to open a new tab every time. So let's get started with this quick tutorial. First, open your Google Chrome browser on your computer. Once Chrome is open, direct your attention to the upper right corner of the window where you'll see three vertical dots. This is your Chrome menu icon. Go ahead and click on it to reveal a drop-down menu with various options. In the drop-down menu that appears, hover your mouse over the option that says Extensions. When you do this, a secondary menu will slide out to the side. From this new menu, click on Visit Chrome Web Store. This will take you to Google's official extension marketplace where you can find thousands of tools and add-ons to enhance your browsing experience. Once the Chrome Web Store opens, you'll notice a search bar at the top of the page. Click on this search bar to activate it, then type in Web for Instagram. This search will help you find extensions specifically designed to integrate Instagram into your Chrome browser. From the search results that appear, look for and click on the extension called Web Client for Instagram. This particular extension is designed to give you a seamless Instagram experience right within your browser. It's a popular choice for users who want to stay connected without constantly switching between tabs or apps. After clicking on the extension, you'll be taken to its dedicated page with more details about what it does. Here you'll see a blue button that says Add to Chrome. Click this button to begin the installation process. A pop-up window will then appear asking you to confirm that you want to add this extension. Click Add Extension to proceed. The extension will now download and install automatically, which should only take a few seconds. Now that the extension is installed, look at the top right corner of your Chrome window again. You'll see a puzzle piece icon, which is your extensions icon. Click on it to view all your installed extensions. From the list that appears, find and click on the Web for Instagram extension we just installed. Once you click it, Instagram will appear on the right side of your browser window, giving you instant access to your feed, messages, and notifications without opening a new tab, and that's it. You've successfully added Instagram Web to Google Chrome, making it easier than ever to stay connected while browsing. If this video helped you out, be sure to leave a like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.